Good evening, friends. In this tutorial, we will learn a very important topic of HTML table. To do that, first open VS Code in your computer. Say, for example, we have created this table first. I hope you know how to create table, a normal table. If you don't know, you see my previous lecture, previous tutorial. This is a table. Now, this is a table. We'll select individual row or individual column or individual cell and color it using background color in CSS. So how to do that? Say, for example, we will say, color change the background color of the header. How to do that? Let's go to the CSS th. Every table, if you consider it is a parent, the element or row or column is termed with child. So th nth child 1 bgc background color red. Let's see. So nth child 1 means header in column 1. We know this first column, second column, third column in header. So we have colored, change the background color of first column of header. So this is the first child. If we want to change the background color of first row, then we have to write tr first row. Background color will be changed of all the header. Now if we want to change the background color of even rows, even, just write even tr n child even, all even number of rows color background color is changed. If you want to change the odd rows, background color of odd rows have been changed. If you want to change the column background color, we can do that. Column is th td n child 1. Let's see. Background color olive. See, first column is, sorry, we don't need to use ts. First column td. So we have seen how to change the background color of individual rows. We have changed background color of odd number rows. We can change it to even number rows. See, If we want to select the first complete column, how to do that? First column, what? th, first child is th, nth child 1. So first element is selected, BGC, background color, say for example olive. So we have selected the first cell. Now we want to change the color of the remaining 3 rows of first column. How to do that? We know column is always TD. T is for header and TD for the other rows. Nth child, this is first column, so position nth child 1. Now background color, say for example we want it also olive. So first column totally selected with TH and TD. Let's select this 12th column, 12th cell. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. So this February month is placed in 12th cell. How to select this column, this cell? Let's say that this is TR, this is TR last child, table row last child, TR last child, and TD nth child is 1, 2, 3, 4. First one is TS, so first, second, third. TD 3. So last TR last child, TD nth child 3. BGC, let's see blue. Let's see the change. Welcome back. Sorry, to select the individual cell, we have to take TR nth child. TR number of row is first, second, third, fourth, nth child 4, nth child 4, and column, since first column is first row of this column is TH, so first, second, third, and TD and child 3 will change the select the last 12 cell. So let's select this October. How to do that? TR and child. What is the position of the TR 1, 2, 3, third, and TD and child. First one TS, TD1, TD2, TD2. Background color gray. Let's see October is selected. Select this February. I'll make it very easy for you so that you don't have any further question or query with you. You will understand. I will make it very clear to understand it easily. This is table head. So tr n child 1, th n child 3, bgc black. Let's see, select it. So always use this formula. How to select this January? This is tr nth child 1, 2, 3, 4. Tr nth child 4, td child, td and child. This is th. Then td1, td2, td3. For column, first row you will take as th, and remaining one is td1, td2, td3 for every column, td1, td2, td3. So td3, bgc magenta. Let's see, th child, yth tr, tr and child 4, tr and child 4, th and child td, tr and child 1, 2, 3, 4, td and child 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Let's see what happened. So to select this January, this is tr and child 1, 2, 3, 4, th, td and child td1, td2. So 2, tr and child 4, let me explain again, it will be very easy. This is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, td1, td2. So January will be tier 4, td2, tier 4 and child 4, td and child 2. Background color, let's say rose pink. Since January is becoming pink. So this way we can change the table cell color. We can select any of the cell to change the background color of that cell. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it with patience. Thank you very much.